Looking for a fresh look beyond 50 that oozes confidence and flair? Discover how these haircuts can redefine your style and boost your spirit effortlessly. Fringed bangs add a youthful charm that's both bold and adaptable. Featuring a playful undercut, this bob reinvents modern elegance effortlessly. The asymmetrical Bixie Cut defies tradition with its vibrant lengths. Sleek layers add volume and depth, perfect for refined simplicity. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.